Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just hold for a while our device home screen with the finger, and after that you'll see here the widgets icon. Click here once, and after that we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can use the phone widget, two of the widgets here, the clock 1 2 3 through clocks widgets, the Google Chrome widgets, contacts, the calendar widgets, the Google Chrome. So for example, let's use the calendar one. Just the widget, we should hold it and after that drag it to the home screen. If you want to resize it, we should hold it and after that drag it to by this way, and now we can just make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move it here on the screen, just hold and drag it. By the same way we can move it between the screens, and we can create the new screens for the widgets. That's also not a problem. If you want to remove it, you just should hold and drag it to the bin icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.